today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite cleaning products for the month of August 2019. I honestly don't know where the time is going. It is fall, it's like September, and I can't believe that that is happening. This is actually going live on September 1st, and I'm flipping out. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and make sure all notifications are set to on, because I am uploading 2 times a week, and on Monday and Friday, and they are beauty, lifestyle, and cleaning videos. I often partner with Patrice from Unique Gifts, and she is a lovely lady. She's actually partnering with me today, so go ahead after this video and check her out. She's linked down in the description below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. The first product I want to mention is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Baking Soda Cream. I know that this has been mentioned in my cleaning videos before and my cleaning favorites before, but it honestly does everything from dishes to surfaces to anything else that I want. I actually had some taco salad, and on the bottom of the pan there was a lot of oil and grease from the meats, and this just took really good care of it. It even cut through grease and oil better than the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. So when I need something to get done and all the oil to be gone, I reach for this product, and it's amazing. So go ahead and pick yourself up some. The next product I have is the not the Mrs. Meyer's, it's the Method laundry detergent, and I have the scent Ginger Mango. And I have actually had this for a really long time. I've had it since like January or something, and I'm not even remotely close to finishing this. This is a staple product. I love how it lingers on the sheets. I'm not used to that because my mother doesn't use scents on the laundry, and so when I first started using this, I wasn't used to any scent. And I was using the little pods from Tide, which to me doesn't give any scent to the sheets. But when I used this, I got into bed that evening and I was like, what is that scent? And it was this. I only used this. I didn't use any dryer sheets, anything like that. But it stayed on the sheets for a couple of days, and it was so nice just to have a nice soft fragrance to smell. So with the move, as you can see, I'm actually in my bedroom right now. I'm trying to figure out the best lighting in this room. I have a couple of boxes right here, and I don't have my lighting set up, but I thought I would sit down and film this video for you nonetheless. And then the next product is this glass cleaner, and when I moved, I needed to clean out my entire apartment. I got makeup all over my vanity, which is actually sitting right here next to me, and this product was the product that did it streak-free and so easily. I could not believe how quickly it cleaned up the glass, it made it streak-free, and it is just honestly one of my favorite products now, and it's definitely something I'm going to be repurchasing. I am at the tail end of it, so I definitely will be rebuying this. And I think soon that you guys will see a Grove collaborative haul, so stay tuned for that. The next product is a bathroom cleaner, and I love this so much. It's kind of brand new. Again, when I moved, I needed to clean out my tub, and also when I got here, it was quite nasty. I had like toenails on the floor of my bathroom. I wanted to just disinfect my entire bathroom before I used it. So I went out and got the Clorox foaming bathroom bleach, and it's unscented. The reason I need the bleach to be unscented is because if you add any bleach, add any fragrance to bleach, it will not disinfect. So I know that you guys buy the lavender scent and whatever scents there are. Don't buy them because it will whiten your towels, but it won't disinfect. Something in the chemicals kind of just don't add up, and it cancels out the disinfecting. But this is just something I needed. I have bleach already, but it was just nice to have it in a spray bottle. I just filled up my tub with water, sprayed it all in there, and let it soak for 10 minutes because you have to leave it sitting for 10 minutes for it to disinfect. And then I just went ahead and wiped everything down afterwards, and I love it. So definitely when I need to do a good deep cleaning, a good disinfecting, I definitely will be reaching for this product. Okay, the last product spilled on me, so I'm just gonna show it really quickly, but it's the Swiffer Wet Heavy duty wet wipes. So I use this with my Swiffer, obviously, and it just does such a good job. It's something, a staple I have in my house. I have a Swiffer, so I use those quite often. It's just nice to, after you sweep, after you vacuum, just to run a little bit of that and not have to get on your hands and knees and scrub the floor. Just to run that across it, and it gets a lot of stuff up, and it's so nice to have and handy. The scent is really great too. I like the container. I keep it on in my laundry room where I keep all my cleaning supplies, which a video on that is coming soon. So if you want to see that, hit that like button and subscribe. And so get excited. But that is all of my favorites from the month of August, you guys. It's fall. What are you guys doing for fall? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.